fall protection equipment stands at the forefront of safety solutions for workers who face the risks associated with working at heights. With a commitment to excellence and innovation, Udyogi has developed a comprehensive range of products designed to mitigate the dangers of falls and ensure the well-being of every worker.
Our fall protection gear encompasses a variety of essential components, including harnesses, lanyards, lifelines, anchors, and more. Each product undergoes rigorous testing and adheres to stringent safety standards, providing peace of mind to both employers and employees alike. Crafted with the latest materials and engineering techniques, Udyogi's equipment prioritizes durability, reliability, and comfort without compromising on safety.
Harnesses form the backbone of our fall protection system, offering a secure and comfortable fit for workers of all sizes. Featuring adjustable straps and ergonomic design, our harnesses minimize discomfort and fatigue. In addition to personal protective equipment, Udyogi provides a range of anchorage solutions to ensure that workers can securely tether themselves to stable structures. Whether it's roof anchors, beam clamps, or tie-off adapters, our anchorage systems are engineered to withstand the forces generated during a fall, safeguarding workers and preventing catastrophic incidents. At Udyogi, we understand the critical importance of fall protection in hazardous work environments. That's why we continuously strive to innovate and improve our products, pushing the boundaries of safety technology to better protect those who put their lives on the line every day. With Udyogi's fall protection equipment, you can trust that your workforce is equipped with the best tools available to stay safe and productive. For inquiries or further information about Udyogi's fall protection equipment, you can reach us through the following contact details.